Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. Yesterday we studied the cries of animals and birds. How do various types of animals and birds cry? Correct or not? त्यांचे आवाज. Total 12 animals were there and we studied about the cries of 12 animals and birds. Today we are going to study a good deed. Now there is a son, or you can say there is a grandson and his grandmother, and what they are doing, they are standing on a traffic signal and they want to cross road. Okay, and pictures are given here but sentences which are given below. See, first picture, old lady and boy is standing on the signal. Green signal is on. Can you see green color? Green signal is on. When signal changes, when it is red signal, at that time the vehicles stop. ज्या काही गाड्या येतात जातात ना त्या थांबलेल्या आहेत. ओके, दे आर वेटिंग. अँड देन बॉय व्हॉट ही डज, ही क्रॉस द रोड बट द वुमन हू इज ब्लाइंड, ओके, द वुमन हू इज ब्लाइंड, व्हॉट हॅपन्स, शी डज नॉट वॉक. द नेम ऑफ अ बॉय इज आझाद. He goes front and he sees that this lady is not coming. Understood? Then what he did, when he tried to cross the road, he again came back to that old lady who is blind. He went back to her and he caught her hand. Correct? What he did, he caught her hand, and then in the last picture he is crossing the road on zebra crossing. It is called which crossing? It is called zebra crossing. Zebra crossing वरती तो काय करतो, त्या आजीचा हात धरून रोड क्रॉस करतो. Now sentences are given anyhow. When the lights changed, the traffic stopped. Azad and a blind lady were waiting at the signal. Now we are going to arrange this sentence. Now here how which is given? See, 3 sentences are given here. 3 sentences are given here. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to write down first sentence. What is first sentence? Azad and a blind lady stopped at the signal. So what is first one? Or were waiting at the signal. First one, Azad and a blind lady were waiting at the signal. First point, you have to write down, downside some lines are given for you, you have to write down there. Now second, in second picture what they are doing, in second picture when the light changed, the traffic stopped. What is there in second sentence? When the light changed, when the light changed, what happened further? The traffic stopped. The traffic stopped. Which sentence will come third one? Which sentence will come third? Azad, when traffic stopped, Azad began to cross the road. So third sentence will be what? Azad began to cross. Okay. Then fourth sentence, but the blind lady just stood there nervously because she was blind, she was not knowing how to cross road, someone should help her, so she stopped over there. So what is fourth sentence? But the blind lady just stood there nervously. After fourth sentence, which will be fifth sentence. Then when she stood nervously, then Azad went back and held her hand. So Azad went, fifth one, Azad went and held her hand. After that, what happened then? He then helped her to cross the road. He then helped her to cross the road. And the last sentence, okay, no, over. 6 only sentences are there. At last what happened? He then helped her to cross the road. In this, what we studied today? We studied a short story of helping others. We should help others. Now Azad was knowing that this lady is blind and she stood near a traffic signal, but then she was not sure that at what time green light will get on. Green light कधी चालू होईल हे तिला माहित नव्हतं, त्याच्यामुळे तिने रिस्क घेतली नाही. But then what Azad did, when Azad started crossing the road, he went again back and took hold of that old lady and then he helped her to cross the road. In this way, Azad did what? Azad did good deed. Good deed म्हणजे काय? आझादनी एक कोणतं तरी मदतीचं काम केलं. गुड डीड. गुड डीड मीन्स व्हॉट? गुड बिहेवियर. करेक्ट or not? Good manners. He taught good manners to everyone. That we should have good manners in us. Okay, and in this way he helped old lady in the story. What you have to do now? There are some lines below. You have to write down first. Which is first? According to picture, which sentence is first? According to picture, which sentence is second? According to picture, which sentence is third? Which is fourth? Which is fifth? And which is sixth? Okay. In this way you write down in your book and complete your homework, and next week we will study new lesson, that is rhyming words. Okay, we will study one more lesson of grammar next week, and then we will study some lessons of textbook also. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.